Hey fam, this is your boy Romeo again with another mukbang. Yes, I'm finally back. What? Finally, I'm finally back with another mukbang. You forgot to say mukbang, girl.
Oh, because you already took it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey fam, this is your boy Romeo again with another
Mukbang. And
Wow.
I'm not in the mood for it anymore.
Why?
Because you took it from me.
Oh, soy sauce. No soy sauce?
No. Today we're having poor little thing. Today we're having Yoshinoya. Finally. Well, they used to have a Yoshinoya here back in the days. Then when we moved to Bakersfield, guess what? They closed down Yoshinoya. So they barely opened one last month, and we're happy and excited. And I'm having what was it? Regular, right? No,
A combo.
combo. It's steak. I know you guys can see because someone here moved the plate. Steak, chicken. What was the chicken?
Teriyaki chicken?
No.
Yeah,
Well,
teriyaki chicken.
Oh, chicken teriyaki. No, it's not teriyaki.
Teriyaki chicken.
Habanero. Chicken habanero.
Oh, yeah, habanero chicken.
And steamed vegetables. And steamed rice. And Jessica, what are you having? She's having a baby.
Rice.
No, just kidding.
White rice, vegetables, and shrimp.
Yep. Let me see. I want to try one. I want to copy my daughter because she said that she knows how to use this.
These are red peppers in case you want some.
We bought these today.
Oh, the straws are in there. You want some for your juicy man?
Yeah. Oh.
See if you find them.
I can't.
Or you want to start using them tomorrow?
What, babe?
Straws.
I'll start using them TMI.
Okay.
How do you like them?
What?
You like it?
Yeah.
I thought you said you were not gonna like it.
I said I thought I was going to like it.
It's good.
I should have gone steak though. The chicken is.
I feel like I'm eating,
Next time you can get
I feel like I'm eating, what's it called?
The habanero sauce is kind of spicy.
You know that place with the
What,
flame
Sprite?
boiler? I feel like I'm eating flame boiler. Daddy, I feel like I'm eating flame boiler.
That's like kimchi.
Nah, friend blower.
Look at the shrimp.
Oh, did I ask? Oh, did you say what you got already?
Yeah. Jasmine, look.
Look at those big shrimp.
Oh, weird.
You want a shrimp with?
No.
Little Jessica, she got bowl, steak, vegetable, regular bowl, steak, steamed vegetable. No, they're not steamed. Vegetables and steamed rice. Jasmine, she got orange chicken, and steamed rice only. No veggies. She's allergic to veggies. Sorry guys that I wasn't, that we weren't
Active?
active. It's not that, I don't know. I've been so busy working, doing others routes. I've been crazy, man.
The favorite thing about this is the rice.
I don't like the rice really.
I love the rice.
You want your sriracha?
Where is it?
Right there.
Oh, no, that's fine.
You want it? I'll go get it for you.
Well, this came with it. Ah!
Yes, ginger.
Don't keep knocking it down.
Yeah, this is ginger.
No, no, man.
You
You
want?
guys catch it? I want to see Korean mukbang use it.
Don't put in your food, cause then you're not gonna like it.
Are you sure you don't want the
That looks like
sriracha?
toys.
No, that's fine, babe.
I don't know why.
I always see Korean mukbang
Oh my god.
use it. Does it smell vinegary?
Never mind.
Ew, it smells like
Fine.
The one you're doing
I'm
is
sorry to
tasting
you,
it.
Taco.
They're the one that tasted like the pine salt.
pencil.
Yeah. You wanna try, mama?
They
How
have,
do Korean mukbang?
they have Japanese words on it.
The shrimp are good though.
Oh, there you go. I don't even know what it says.
You just have
I'm gonna
chicken
try
on
to
it.
use chopsticks because I'm gonna fail though because I don't.
And they're big shrimps. I thought it was gonna be like baby shrimps. I
I'm
was
wrong
scared.
too.
Oh my gosh, I cannot. Bro, I can't use it.
You've been wanting to try Yoshinoya since they opened it.
Last month. And we finally did it.
It's basically Chinese food. For me, it just tastes like flame boiler.
Not really.
I'll pick this over frame burger any day.
I'll pick this.
I love both. No?
I feel. Oh, sorry, mama.
I'd rather pick flame boiler.
I feel like frame burger doesn't fill you up.
I like flame boiler.
So you guys didn't like Yoshinoya?
No,
I did, but it's not the best.
Oh my lord, you?
I don't like it.
That's not my fault.
It's my fault.
I feel
I
like
do love Yoshinoya,
I feel
man.
like Yoshinoya fills you up more than that little bowl they give you at the frame burger.
I love the flame boiler. It folds me. Wait, what's
Nothing
the,
fools me.
what's the thing that tastes like pineapple?
It's right there. Want to try it? Dad, you want to try the orange chicken because it's sour. It tastes sour.
Is this the pineapple thing?
No.
It tastes really sour.
You want to try this?
It tastes like pineapple, bro.
It's because you guys think because it's Japanese.
Should I try it?
Mmm.
I want the last one. Oh, one second.
That shrimp is good.
To me, it's like eating Chinese food.
The chicken habanero is good. The sauce.
Oh my god, dude. And it's not, if we paid 30 something for all of us, imagine for
32.
the two of us.
It's not that expensive here.
I don't get why everyone is so happy that I live in Los Angeles. So happy about this. That was the big deal about it.
Because we grew up eating Yoshinoya. In LA, there's in each corner, there's, but,
Oh yeah, when we go to Grandma's house.
when we go to my mom's house, there's like 4 and
Are you not going to your mom's house?
There's a lot of
In
7-Eleven.
the Sherman way, where the Jack in the Box is, or Super, there's one. And then going to where there's the Kaiser Hospital, I think there's another one.
oh, I used to go that one on Woodman.
I think that's where the In-N-Out is, no?
Yeah. Yeah, Woodman and Laura King
Yeah, Laurel King. There's an In-N-Out right there that,
and Coco's.
yeah, it holds up the traffic because the traffic is like all the way.
That's where we took Jasmine for the first time. She almost choked on something that we gave her.
And Coco?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, and she cried.
She had like a couple of teeth already.
Mm-hmm.
So like, we gave them. I think I gave them a little piece of I don't know what it was.
I think meat or chicken, I can't remember.
Yeah, and she was choking.
And then when she spit it out, she cried.
Yeah, I was scared.
What's wrong, Mama?
Nothing. They should have not put the orange chicken on top of the rice.
Are you not enjoying
I
your
don't
food?
like I like it, but if only they didn't have these like,
Cómanse solo eso porque nosotros no comemos eso.
What?
I like it, but I wish they didn't have like the,
I mean, I'm getting
whatever
full.
they are and stuff.
Do you want to try it?
When you say that you're getting full, that means that you don't want it.
Da como le
Yeah.
dice, se coma su lunch, mujer.
No, that's enough for tonight.
Oh, de veras, Brenda. We'll save it for tomorrow.
I don't like it.
You don't eat it tomorrow.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ah, good.
But that's what we know next time.
It's alright. It's alright.
I will eat this again.
I wouldn't. I would, but like if I.
I know why you didn't like the orange chicken, because you were expecting to have all these orangey, huh?
Uh-huh.
Like the one we get on the Chinese food. That's not.
Say it.
Okay. Chicken habanero.
Ew.
So what is this?
Hmm?
This is
Green cucumber.
Vegetable, yeah.
I said it's green cucumber.
green cucumber. What? My friend thinks cucumber is pickles.
It is. They are pickles.
It's two pickles, cucumber. So, we're trying to do the keto. Is that no?
Kilo.
Keto.
Oh, keto. My bad. The
Keto?
keto.
I thought it was kilo.
Keto diet.
We're trying to eat healthier.
Yeah.
Like the whole car was kind of full of like vegetables and stuff.
We'll have a bunch of vegetables today.
I don't really know the difference between fruits and vegetables.
What if it is tomato?
Tomato is a fruit.
I thought it was a vegetable.
Me too.
I don't even know the difference about fruits and vegetables, so I'm just going with the. I don't know.
Which one of you guys was the one that brought up at the store about that lady that peels her bananas?
Meh.
What?
She's like, are we gonna peel the bananas like that lady?
Oh, the show that you watch?
Yeah, she peels the
So
bananas.
they'll weigh less at
Yeah.
What's the name of the show?
cheesecakes. And like she peeled them and then she's like, why am I gonna take a whole bunch when I just need 3? And she would peel them and just take the 3 she needed.
A freaking banana doesn't even weigh a pound.
We're learning about metrics, length, and stuff.
Almost done with my
Yes, she
plate.
did.
Same. Going around the thing.
It's actually pretty easy.
We haven't really tried it.
What?
Metric length.
The what?
Metric length.
What is that?
It's like kilogram, kilometer.
Oh, in school?
Yeah,
In
oh
geometry.
yeah, I know.
Dash.
¿Cuánto fuiste a trabajar? Were they right here outside? The girls?
What
Ali
girl?
and Yvette?
No, they were over there. Just on the playground.
Uh-huh. So I called you on the PDA today?
So far, guys, everything has been good. Just been working a lot lately.
Did you
Been schooling a lot lately.
did you change your intro shorter? Like the women's sex
This is gonna be the one, I think, with the short intro.
How long does the videos have to be?
Videos?
Yeah.
They say
15 minutes.
the most.
What do you want now?
13.
It's titled.
Hmm?
Titled by so slow. I mean fast.
Well, at least we don't school for a week and a day. I have to get up
Bro,
early.
who wants to
anymore.
try the rice?
I already tried it. It's bomb.
Yeah, but with the
I don't like
the
orange chicken.
and the orange chicken juice.
Ew, no.
Hot.
Don't play with your rice. Leave like that.
I guess you got out your chopsticks for no reason.
No, I need the orange chicken.
Oh, wow.
You can eat ice cream with chopsticks.
Tell them she didn't buy ice cream. We bought those paletas that your daddy likes.
Oh,
Did you know I've seen people I've seen Mexican people also do it. Use chopsticks for their hot chips.
Oh, and I bought you rice pudding.
Oh, some people do that.
The what?
Use
Their
chops.
No.
Oh.
I bought you rice pudding.
Yeah. I don't like rice
We were
pudding.
deciding on what to buy you because you didn't like that.
Yeah, because we went grocery shopping.
Grocery shopping.
Grocery shopping.
No, you want to try the pencil?
Oh, hell no.
It's not really good. It just tastes like pine sol. Like when you eat it, you get the smell of pine sol.
I've actually tasted pencil before.
Oh, yeah.
Who would taste pine sol? I'm pretty sure you wouldn't be alive right now.
I probably would just be in the
Pues how chidos are those chos, mamá.
Yeah, mine are in my room.
Si ven los de allá ven un poquito bajitos, es because yo me estuve agarrando también.
I only had like 10 of them
Y
today.
Beto siempre le da cara. Y nunca veo que ella te dé
No,
nada.
she does. She gave me string cheese.
Ouch.
This was good.
But
Yeah.
we didn't really eat them today. We only got like 20.
No, you got 2, I got 1.
Same thing. Except I minus 1.
Maybe.
Excuse me. I'm like the one.
That was good.
I didn't really like it.
Get try the meat.
So she's just gonna eat her meat, but no.
I want to try the
It
meat.
wasn't really good.
You don't want it? Oh my lord.
Good. I expected it since you guys were like all like making a big deal about how good it was. I thought it was gonna be like really good.
Se va a comer toda la carne, vas a ver, le gustó. Pásate, Daddy.
I want to see. Because your vegetables, they weren't steamed. They were like grilled.
Sauteed.
Yeah. Was it? Yeah, they weren't steamed. They taste kind of like fajitas.
A ver, el tuyo.
Nah, fajitas are way better than this.
A ver, eso es el tuyo.
It's not bad and it's not good. It's like in between.
Puro arroz.
The carne at the end, it isn't that carne that they gave at Don Perico. And I don't like the Don Perico carne.
We'll save it for tomorrow.
¿Le echaste algo?
No.
The rice has an aftertaste. Try it.
Maybe she was playing with it.
No. El de ella tiene un aftertaste. No, try it, then te va a dar un aftertaste.
No. The orange chicken taste.
Orange chicken.
Because this one is not that sweet like the one that we get the Asian, the Chinese food. This one is not too sweet, that's why.
No supo como de hierba.
It tastes kind of like that.
Yeah, I know. Oh, thank you.
Kind of like what, the ginger?
Mm-hmm.
You like the ginger?
Oh my gosh, I have to go to schooling tomorrow. I have to go schooling tomorrow.
Let me see. Oh, no, no. I'll tell you later. You want to have a meeting? Yeah.
I can't wait to go to school. No, I'm kidding. I don't want to go to school.
I have to work tomorrow.
Hace falta pagar.
Get up.
I
I
love
have
have
to
a lot of packages on Thursday
I have to school tomorrow.
from Walgreens.
Schooling is really boring.
Sarah, don't you go to Mexicali? Is Mexicali a restaurant?
You have to sit down for like 7 hours straight. You only have a couple of minutes to stand up, which is at
We're
recess.
powered by her.
And then lunch is like 30 minutes long.
I know. So long.
Alright, fam. Thank you for watching. If you happen to stay this long, remember, like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the bell that is right. Wait, what is it? Right there. See? Right there. That's the bell. Just click on it. And then you get notified every time I come out with a new
Mukbang.
Oh my god. Alright guys, thank you. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.